today's lesson, we're going to feel your chi, feel your energy. So you can do it right off the bat in this video, or you can go and do a couple of the previous videos. I would recommend the Tai Chi warm-ups and the Wu Chi video to further prepare you for this video. So give it a try here, and if you feel your chi, fabulous. If you're not quite sure, do the other two videos first. Will help prepare your body and mind to tune into your chi. So standing in Wu Chi, drawing the head up, aligning the spine, releasing the weight down through the feet. And when you release the weight down, all that muscle tension dissolves. You want to feel that light energy floating up, moving right through the top of your head, expanding and gently stretching like you're a balloon, filling up with breath, mind, and energy. So what I would like you to do is rub your hands together, make sure they're warm. Good. Shake out the arms, shoulders, elbows, wrists. And you're going to hold a little energy ball. Hold a little energy ball, moving your hands back and forth like this in circular motion. Breathe comfortably, deeply into the belly, letting the breath flow. And you can move the hands a little bit in and out, or this circular pattern. And you may already begin to feel some pressure building between your palms. As you bring your hands away, it gets a little thinner or expands. As you bring your hands closer, you might be able to feel it, a little more pressure. And this is your energy, this is your chi. One way you can begin to feel it is if you're holding a small bucket of water and swirl it around a little bit. And then change direction. And then what I'd like you to do is just stop and let it become still. Now when you move that bucket of water, do it from your feet. So the whole body is swirling the water. Can you feel that in your palms? And then stop. Let the water become still, and then change direction. Keep breathing. Keep releasing the spine, drawing the head up, filling the body with breath. And then become still again and stop. And then you can just move the hands however you wish, trying to connect them from the feet, through the palms, through the fingers, through the top of the head, so the whole body is connected. And as you inhale, you can expand a little bit and drop down through the shoulders, stretch from the shoulders through the elbows, stretch from the elbows through the palms and fingers. And you can move the hands in and out. Typically, when I begin this, I bring the hands close together. And as I get the feeling and get a hold of that energy, I can move it farther out and still feel the connection between the hands. And then when you're done playing with your energy and cultivating and creating more energy, you take the hands, place them on the dantian, drop the shoulders, release, about 2 inches below the navel. breathe, relax, and allow this energy to just settle within. You can store it up for later. And then with the energy you have left over, it's like the afterglow in your hands, you can lightly wash it into your body. You can lightly wash it over your eyes, into the temples, down the jaw, neck, shoulders, to just do an energy wash. Anywhere where you feel any pain or discomfort, focus the energy there and allow the energy to surround and wash through that part of your body to create wellness and healing. All right, thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.